Hey, what's up, Pigeon World? What's up, mga kalapatids? Here we are in Las Vegas. Different kind of vlog, man. I'll talk about pigeons in a little bit. See you guys later. Alright, Pigeon World, so welcome back, my halibatids. Here we are. Some of the birds are already inside, but some of the birds are still outside. They don't want to go in. I guess might be overfeeding them. So this is one of the new additionals to the team. Right there, it's like a red check. It's a young bird, so it's just second time out, I think. So hopefully I don't lose that bird, but from the looks of it, it seems pretty adjusted. The one next to him, that one, that blue check, that's also one of the new ones. Second time out as well, right there. So far so good. Those two birds. Those are the GPS whites right there. They're all chilling up here. GPS whites. Yeah, some of them flying now. They just got attacked by a hawk, but that's a red check right there and the blue dark check. They're flying, so that's their first time flying. That's probably the dark check. Yeah, so that's the dark check. There, first time. Yeah, so the red check is back. This one is back, but I'm missing the dark check. So hopefully that bird's okay. Alright, let's sort of help him out. Alright, there you go. So it's one of the new young birds that I got. Glad he made it back, but that was his first time flying, so great job. Just missing the dark check, so hopefully I can get that bird back later. But great job, new young birds that I got. All right, these guys still don't want to go in. All right, Pigeon World. So hopefully I can get that one last young bird back. So it should just be around here. Hi, Pigeon World, that's about it here at GPS Loft. So thank you guys for tuning in, and have a great weekend, everyone.
Memories follow me left and right. I can feel you over here, I can feel you over here. Come to now. Ever since the day you went away, no, I don't know how to erase your body from out my brain. Your love stays with me day and night. I can feel you over here. You're going round in circles, got you stuck up in my head.